I'm available for all sort of MyLab courses, MS Excel, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Access Mathematics, Accounting and Statistics, Problems Rock.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking What Chapter 2 Simulation Exam. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your exam by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes, and for complete course deal on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on the bottom of the screen and given in the first slide of this video. And please reach me out on my WhatsApp and email for your other courses help like my lab accounting, my lab finance, my lab Excel, my lab Word, my lab PowerPoint, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python, nursing, and many more online courses. Let's start our exam to solve it step by step. The question number 1 of this exam is that click the star object at the left side of the what art banner on page 1. Hold down the shift key and then click the what art banner and then other star object. Click the shape format tab and click group objects. In the arrange group, click group. Okay, you can focus on my PC screen. I am going to do first question of this exam and please follow my video. I will do this exam step by step. Basically in this question we will click the start object at the left side of what art banner on page 1. Okay, we will select or click the star object. Now hold down the shift key and click the what art banner and then other object, star object. Okay, you can see. Now click the shape format tab. We will click the shape format tab and click group object in the arrange group. Where is shape format tab? Okay, and then we will click group objects in the arrange group. Where is arrange group? You can see we will go to the shape format in the group object in the arrange group. Okay, shape format in the arrange group, click on group object. Okay, group object is here. Click on group button. Okay, join objects together to move and format atom as they were a single object. Okay, change the wrapping style of the grouped object to top and bottom. Close layout option if necessary. Change the wrapping style of the grouped object to top and bottom. Close layout option if necessary. You can see here. Okay, change the wrapping style of group object to top and bottom. Close layout option if necessary. Okay, go to the shape format, click on wrap text button. Wrapping style of the grouped object to top and bottom. We will select top and bottom. We will select top and bottom. Okay, now question is completed. The question 1 is complete now. Now I'm going to do question number 2 of this exam. On the first page of document, select the 3 bolded paragraphs beginning with participate in the fundraising event and ending with record friends and family to become member. Click the numbering arrow and then select the third option on the first row in the numbering library. Okay, basically in this question we will on the first page of document select 3 bolded paragraph. We will go to the first paragraph, first page of the document, then we will select three bolded paragraph beginning with participate in the fundraising event and ending with restrict friends. Okay, we will select this participate in fundraising. We will select this three bolded paragraph. Okay. Click the numbering arrow and then select the third option on the first row in the numbering library. Where is numbering arrow? We will click on the numbering arrow in the paragraph group. You can see we will go to the home tab in the paragraph group and then we will click on numbering arrow. And then we'll select third option on the first row in the numbering library. Click on the numbering arrow. Then we will select the third option on the first row. Okay, third option on the first row. Okay, numbering library. Scroll to page 2 and select the three paragraph near the end of page beginning with Walter, volunteer and ending with make a difference. Apply a hollow round bullet to selected paragraph. Okay, we will scroll to page 2 and select the three paragraphs near the end of page. Okay, scroll to page 2 and select three paragraph near the end of page beginning with volunteer ending with make a difference. Scroll to page 2 and select three paragraph. Okay, we will select this three paragraph volunteer support our effort make a difference and apply a hollow round bullet to the selected paragraph. We will apply a hollow round bullet. Go to the home tab in the paragraph group, click on bullets button, and then we will apply hollow round bullet. Okay, question is completed now. Now I am going to do question number 3. The question number 3 of this exam is that click anywhere in the first paragraph of page 3 and drag to draw a small text box. Resize the text box to 1 height and 2 inches width with the insertion point in the text box. Type learn how you can help us grow position with adjust automatically. Basically in this question we will click anywhere in the first paragraph of page 3. We will go to the page 3 and then we will click anywhere in the first page of anywhere in the first paragraph of page 3. Okay, we will click anywhere in the first paragraph of page 3 and then resize the text box to 1 inches height and 2 inches width. Okay, we will go to the home insert tab and click on text box button. Okay, you can see with the insertion point in the text box type learn how you can help us draw. First we will drag to draw text box. You can see we will have to drag to draw small text boxes here. Okay, you can see then we will resize the text box 1 inches height and then 2 inches width. Okay, 2 inches width, height and width. We will set height and width of paragraph. Box, text box. With the insertion point in the text box, type learn how you can help us grow. We will type here learn how you can help us grow. Can us grow GROW. Okay, and semicolon. Select the text in the text box and change the font size to 16 point. We will select this text learn how you can help us and then we will go to the home tab. In the font size we will apply 16 font size. Go to the font size. In the font group, click on font size button. We will select 16-point font size. Okay, you can see I have done this question. Change text wrapping of the text box to square. Close layout option if necessary. We will select this text box and then we will go to the simply we will change the text wrapping of the text box to square. Please follow my video, and if you do not able to do this exam, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp link is given in the description, and I will do this complete exam for you with A plus grade. Okay, we will select this text first. Click on this box and go to the shape format tab. In the shape format tab, click on the wrap text button and then text wrapping to text box. We will select text box to square. We will select square and then click on OK button. At the right side of the green ways to the heading, insert a star 4-point shape. Drag the shape just above the green ways in the Tulsa heading. The shape should be approximately 1 inch height and 1 inch wide. Okay. At the right side of the green ways to the heading. Okay, where is the right side of green ways to the heading? Insert a star 4-point shape drawing the shape just above the green way in the Tesla heading. We will go to the insert tab. In the illustrations group, click on shapes button and then we will insert a star. Where is star? We will insert a star 4 points. Okay, we will insert a star 4-point, drawing the shape just above the green ways in the Tesla heading. Okay, we will above the question is completed now. Now I am going to do next question is question number 4. Click the place the insertion point before the first body paragraph on page 2 beginning with the green ways largest land holding. Click the insert tab and then click picture in the illustration group. Insert the flower picture from the device. Okay, click the place the insertion point before the first body paragraph on page 2. We will go to the page 2 and first body paragraph on page 2 and then click the place the insertion point before the first body paragraph. Okay, beginning with the green way, we will click on here and largest and holding. Click the insert tab and then click the picture in the illustrations group. We will go to the illustration group, click on picture and then insert the flower picture from the device. Click on this device and then we will select flower JPG and then click on insert tab, insert button. Click layout option beside the picture and then close tight. We will close tight. Click layout options beside the picture and then close tight. Okay, this is the second exam of what session. Go to the picture format and then in the picture styles group click on picture layout button. Click on picture layout button. One second. Beside in the picture and choose tight. Okay, layout. Okay, we will click on the picture beside in the picture, right click on this and then click on layout option in line with text and then click on tight. Position the insertion point before the funding to span budgets shortfall heading on page 1 and then insert a smart graphic choosing converging arrows layout from the relationship group. Okay, position the insertion point before the funding to span budget. Shortfall heading on page 1. Insert a smart graphic. We will go to the position suggestion point before the funding to span budget shortfall. You can see here this is and before. We will go to the insert tab in the illustration group, click on smart art button and then insert a smart art graphic choosing converging arrows layout from the relationship group. Relationship group. Click on relationship group and then we will choosing converging arrow. Okay, converging arrow, click on OK button. In the left arrow of the smart graphic type funding and the right arrow we will type growth. We will click on the left arrow and then we will type text in the left arrow is funding. FUNDING for left arrow, then we'll click on right arrow and then we'll type growth in the right arrow. Select the text the green ways tool in the first line on page 1. Format the selected text as what odd using the style fill blue as in color 1 shadow. Okay, we will select this text the green ways tool in the first on the page 1 and then format the selected text as what odd using the style fill blue as in color 1. We will go to the insert tab and then click on water color style. We will select what odd blue accent color 1 shadow. Okay, question is completed. Now you can see